so I am super excited today. I am going to unbox my current dream bag with you. It's orange, it's big and it's beautiful. So I bought myself the Telfar shopping tote in orange. Now, there's a solid backstory with this bag, which I will tell you guys after I unbox it. But it's sealed. I got someone to get it for me from America because I ordered it and shipped it to them so that I wouldn't have to pay duty and stuff on it. And I have not opened it. I'm going to open this with you. So excited. Okay, guys, here we go. The Ziploc has been unlocked. The dust bag is here. You can already see it's like a really bright, like poppy orange. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? How beautiful is that? Okay, so it has like long straps as well. Just gonna undo this so you can see that. It has a longer strap and it has a shorter strap. This is the Telfar shopping bag. It comes in a zillion colors. Now, here's the story behind this bag. In around, I think, 2020-21 during the pandemic, this became the it bag. It's also called the Bushwick, like nicknamed the Bushwick Birkin. It comes in a zillion colors and it is, I think it was the most popular bag in 2020 and 2021. People like Beyonce, Oprah, Selena Gomez was seen like using this. And the best part about it is that it is affordable luxury. It's not ridiculous. So it comes in 3 sizes. There's like a small, medium and large. And 2 years ago, I saw this exact orange Telfar shopping tote. And I was like, you know, yeah, that's the perfect bag for me. Someday I will buy it. And I didn't know at that point that they dropped different colors at like different points and stuff. And I thought, okay, you know, eventually I'll buy it at some point when I go to America or whatever. Pandemic happened. I never went anywhere. And the orange color was just never in stock. I've been following them on Instagram for the longest time and checking all the new drops. So they drop like one color at a time and it sells out like this. And a few weeks ago, suddenly there was this announcement that they are dropping orange and I was so excited. And I had to like orchestrate all this. I set an alarm on my phone to not miss it because it was our time, like 9:30 p.m. I remember. And I was out at an event, but I made sure I got back in time to get this. I was sitting here with my laptop ready to like execute this, executed it, got it. And I was very confused between getting the medium or the large. This is the medium. So yeah, they have small, medium, large. These bags range from 150 USD to 257 USD for the large. So this is more affordable luxury. As I said, it's not like a ridiculous price tag. If I had to buy a bag or someone told me what bag would you recommend right now, I would say Telfar because not many people use it and know about it in India at this point. And I think like fewer people, like you don't really spot them often. I've only seen one person carry this exact same bag last year and I was like, Vaibhav, that's my dream bag. Vaibhav, that's my dream bag. And he's like, what? Like, what is this conversation? So at the prices that they're selling these, not a lot of people in India have them and they're pretty cool looking, as you can see, and they fit a lot and we'll see that in a bit. So this one is the medium size. It was $202 with tax, I think around $220, which is around approximately close to 18,000 rupees. So yeah, as I said, it wasn't like, oh my God, because like I feel like you'd go to Zara and pay 8,000-9,000 rupees for a bag in Zara, right? So I was like, okay, 2 Zara bags is what this is costing me and it's worth it because I'm obsessed. Okay, size wise, let's go through this a little bit. So it's quite big and roomy, as you can see. This is the medium. As I said, I felt like the large would be too large. The week that they announced this, I was like, should I get a large? Should I get a medium? Should I get a large? Should I get a medium? Should I get a large? And Weber was like, get the large. And then I'd be like, but the large is too big. Then he'd say, get the medium. And I'd be like, but the medium is too small. And this is me every time I purchase anything big. I'm like thinking about it 20 times and rationalizing it in my head. But then I thought it said a medium fits your laptop and stuff. And I thought that's a pretty good size for an orange bag because I will of course use this right now a lot because it's new and I'm excited, but then eventually I'll move on to other bags and this will be a part of my collection and I won't use it as often. So I thought if I really like the shape and the bag, I can maybe get a black in the large, which would be more, useful for when I travel and otherwise. So basically you have the long handles, the short handles. It's got one big pocket, like it's quite roomy. And there's also a zipper, and there's their logo here. And the zipper pocket is pretty big as well, so you can fit quite a lot into that as well, as you can see. So currently, this is the ginormous bag that I'm using, which is like pretty much the same size this way, I think. Lengthwise, it's just the height is much like this is much taller than this one, obviously. Right now all my stuff is dumped in here. Let's see if we can fit everything in here. I do feel like it will fit because it's quite roomy, but yeah, let's see. Also very excited to cut this, like to christen my bag. So this is my bag in bag usually. Right now it doesn't have anything because all my stuff was in another bag, but like I put this into that bag, so if I want to just take some like my money and stuff and run out, I just run out with this, which will easily fit in here. Right now it's khali, so I'm just putting it here on the side. So we have my wallet that I almost never use because it has like all my extra cards and stuff, which in the pandemic I kind of got out of the habit of using, but I still keep it along with my bag and bag. We have this pouch which has all my like medicines, some extra lipstick, a tampon, passport photos, you know, the usual spiel. That goes in easily. Shades, some wipes, a mask, which I think we will all be needing again now. I also have a lot of kachra in this bag because I have not really cleaned it for a while. There's some lipstick again and my keys. So I'm using the top pocket for that, for my keys, for my sanitizer, stuff that I use all the time. And whatever's in this pocket, gonna just dump that into that pocket. I still have my boarding pass from Singapore. Shame on me. I don't need that in my new bag. Don't need bills in my new bag. Some cash, some clips, and lip balm, and a pen. And some mint, some perfume. That's it. I think the rest is all like junk in this bag that I really don't need. So yeah, everything has fit in pretty easily. I have a lot more room. Like I could easily fit in my laptop and stuff if I needed to. And I can easily put this guy in also if I want, once I fill it up, and it has everything, right? So yeah. This is my new bag, people. How beautiful is this? So guys, you're going to be seeing a lot of this beauty, and let me know in the comments if you guys like my new bag, what you guys think of it, and whether it was a good purchase or not. I know it's a good purchase because it's orange, and everything orange is always good, okay? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my new bag, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, still give it a thumbs up because I bought it and I'm very excited about it. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!